Hi everyone, welcome to Snackables, Meal Garden's new mini video series designed to help you get the most out of your meal garden tool. I'm Jeff and I'm going to be walking you through our first Snackable video, which is about using video to engage your clients. So we enabled video a little while ago and have just recently added Loom to the list. So I was really excited about Loom. I think it's a great tool and makes it really easy to employ video in your content. So I thought I'd show you kind of how we do that. And before we do that, we'll just touch base on the different platforms you can use with Meal Garden. So you can upload videos from YouTube, from Vimeo, or from Loom, just added Loom. And you can upload videos into any of these pieces of types of content. So in your notes, so if you add a note to a meal plan, in your cover pages, in your descriptions or recommendations, as well as in your resources. So you can actually create resources that are PDFs or documents, but you can also add video to those resources. Okay, so why do I think video is important? Well, I hope we start doing a lot more video in the future. And I think that video is a great way to grab attention. So to get your clients or your audience's attention, it's a great way to keep people engaged because of the different senses that are being used, both vision and hearing. And it really helps to create deeper connections. There's nothing better than having a meeting with the client and then adding a video to their launch of their recommendations or a resource saying, hey, this is what we talked about. This is how I think that applies, and this is how I'm going to help you, right? So let's flip over and take a look at kind of what videos look like in Meal Garden, right? So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to show you what I've done with Sarah Stanley. So I've added a video. So when Sarah logs in, she's a client of mine. She has a video right here that she can launch, and I'm going to walk her through kind of how you use Meal Garden. And it's a really great way to engage. So that's one of the ways that I've added videos to my tool. And then I've also went in and I added a video to this vegan collection here. So when a client previews their collection, let's move this over here. When a client goes into the collection, there's this really great video here that they can click into, and it's me talking about what vegan is, how to use the app. It makes it really easy and really fun for people. So what we can do is we can click over here as a last thing. This is really easy to do. So what I'm going to do is when you click on here, click insert video, you can paste a video, you can make it auto play. You can also embed it, but it's really easy to paste, right? So if we go over to YouTube and we'll go to my videos and I'll just click here, get shareable link, go over here, paste that link in. And away we go. Now we have two. And if I want to remove it, I just click on it, hit delete. So it's super easy to do, a really great way to engage. And if you haven't tried out Loom yet, you can go over to use Loom. You put this little button up here and you can create videos, and you can also just link those in as well, right? So if you wanted to drop a Loom video in, same idea, it'll show up. I think YouTube's a little further along than Loom, but Loom is working, and Loom is a great way to record videos. And if you use Loom to record videos, you can just download them as well. So you can download them and then upload them to your YouTube. So both great tools, really easy to use. And, I hope you find some value in this. I think obviously Meal Garden is digital forward. We do PDFs. We love PDFs, but we also love seeing you guys being able to get online, interact with your clients, and provide that emotional support as well as that connection to help your clients get to where they want to be. Okay. So again, I mentioned this was the first video of our Snackable series, and Snackables are just short videos to help you get the most out of Meal Garden. If you have any questions, or you'd like to see a Snackable about a specific feature or a specific use case, drop a comment on Facebook, and I'll be sure to get on that next week. Take care.